This is my upgraded Razor MX 500. I upgraded it a few months back, making it 76 volt with a 5,000 watt motor. This made it insane. Wild torque, the easiest of wheelies, and a top speed of 42 miles per hour.
Now, that said, against all recommendations, I ran this motor without the heat sink. Now, the bike was fine. Motor got hot, but it never overheated for the first 8 months I owned it. But after a day where I rode 4 or 5 5-minute long wheelies, this thing finally gave up and I fried the Hall sensors. Now, since then, the bike just hasn't moved for the past 2 weeks because we've been waiting on a package to arrive. Well, today, that package arrived.
Drum roll, please. What? No, not that drum roll. Yeah, that sounds right. New motor, Electro Co EC4P. Almost 3 times the power of the Conray 1020 Plus that I had on. 14 kilowatt max output, better built-in heatsink with a more robust casing, cool black color. New controller, True Moto Noisy Cricket. Need a new controller for this new motor, and that is this. Looks cool, I guess. Comes with a super cool app where you can adjust power on the fly. Swing arm extension. To deal with the insane power, we're adding a few inches to the swing arm. This drills right into the stock swing arm and even gives you adjustable axle blocks, so no more stupid chain tensioner.
So, this is what we're doing. We're gonna take out the old Kelly controller from the Ultimate Kit 2.1, replace it with a True Moto Noisy Cricket controller, throw in the EC4P V2, and this thing should do about 60. Okay guys, everything is all installed, but I want to test just to make sure this works. I've got everything all plugged in. The wires, it literally says G for green, Y for yellow, ground, positive, negative, and blue is the other one. So let's just test this thing, see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Turns on. That power seems freaking insane, dude. Okay guys, so that was pretty easy. We do 2 holes, one here, one here. You can see the bolts come through on this side. Same on this side, 2 holes. You drill these on. It's really easy. You put on this bolt here with the washer, slide it up, push it all the way up. That's when you know you're at the right height. You should push it all the way up, tighten both of these, and then drill these in. We're gonna put these locking nuts on and hopefully get this wheel on. Guys, I haven't been narrating much because I was just having such an annoying time with this chain. We finally got it cut. Hopefully it fits correctly. Woo. First test with the chain and the wheel spinning. Let's see it. Spins the wheel. Okay guys, and just like that, extended swing arm is on. We've got the chain on. It is pretty tight, but hopefully that'll stretch out a little bit as we ride. Obviously I have the EC4P on, and this is what the brake caliper looks like. You just put this on here and then add this, it extends it out. I have one little spacer on the bottom of this, not one on top, and it sits pretty good. So I'm gonna clean up, vacuum, get this place cleaned up, but I'll see you on the bike in 3, 2, 1. And here we are guys, we're in the app. I have my phone zip tied to the bars, but right now, this is how it starts in the app. It's 11.5 kilowatts, 300 phase amps, 150 battery amps. We're gonna start with this, turn up the power as we go here, so let's get this. Okay guys, I was gonna screen record, but you should be able to see this pretty clearly. Miles per hour, I think we're on 8, level 8 for regen right now. This is mode 2. It doesn't feel too crazy. I noticed the throttle, it picks up a little later than the other throttle did, so. But right now we're going to meet up with Miles and Ryan. Get a little speed run right here. I'm a little scared, to be honest. 27, 31. Oh, this thing is gonna fly. This is only at 11,500 too. It goes all the way to 14, but whew, it's cold. Oh, wheelies are feeling weird with this longer swing arm. Oh, I'm gonna have to get used to this, guys. Guys, huge shout out though to Electro Co for sending me over this extended swing arm and these forks and the motor and controller, obviously. Really appreciate you guys. Austin over there, killer products, obviously. But Miles is right here. Let's tear it up. What's good?
That stretch looked crazy.
Dude, I have barely even looked at it. All right, I'm setting this throttle aggression up so it feels like the other one.
Out with Miles. One-way Miles, one-way Ryan. Oh. That's a lot of power. Okay, yeah, I turned up the throttle aggression to 60%, and now it's very aggressive. Right into the cone. How you doing? All right, we're going up to full power. Gonna pretend I know what I'm doing. Let's do 14. Ryan's surround is insane. I think it's like 28 kilowatts. Ag mode enabled, so it'll show 0 to 30 and 0 to 60 times. Oh my God, I'm scared. I don't want to give it. I'm too scared. Damn, I think, well, yours is obviously faster, but hold up, let me. Holy shit. This is scary, guys. Scary fast. Wow. Ready, let's rip through the grass. 43, easy, still so much more to go, but I'm too scared to do it. I can't see very well is part of the issue. 42, oh, too scared, dude, I'm too scared. Got all the boys out tonight. All right, getting back in the saddle. It's gonna be so hard to hand drag again, because I learned it, and now this is like 3 inches longer, so I'm gonna have to get even further back. Dude, I wish I had an exhaust to just fucking... I
had like a built-in heater in my back.
I know. Woo-wee. Back in the saddle, baby. I hope you guys like this little GPS mount, or not GPS, Speedo. It looks really cool, I feel like, especially at night, but I'm probably not gonna run it like this all the time because I like to be able to grab my phone and not have it be, you know, zip tied on. Sorry.
I wonder why you're so like fucking wire.
Speed up this wheelie a bit. Up to 30. It's probably like the fastest I ever wheelied on the old setup. 435. That's scary, man. All right, I want to get top speed in here. Oh, and I gave up again. Ah. Oh yeah, guys, feels so good to be back out. The power on this thing is pretty crazy. I will say though, the throttle is pretty smooth. So I think it's pretty linear power. Regardless, the power is crazy. It's so fast. It'll definitely do 60. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that today. A, because it's so cold, and B, because I'm a baby and I really don't want to ride this thing 60 miles an hour. But it'll be great to have this extra power when I need it, and most importantly, with overheating. Hopefully this should negate any overheating problems that I had on the old motor running it without the heatsink. What do you know, my headlight died. One-way Miles, cutting it up if you guys can even see. Oh, throttle one-hander, yep. Give me a hand drag. Yep, oh. Yeah, woo. Oh, probably gonna need to put on new pads after running these things, man. Also, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but shout out Saints of Speed for these gloves. They sent me over a couple. I'm going to be doing a review on them and a giveaway, so stay tuned. The giveaway, to win it, you're going to have my Patreon, so make sure you are in my Patreon. Right now, there's 0 members, so become a member and win the gloves, because there's going to be no one else to choose from. Well guys, I regret to inform you that my GoPro battery died. It was only at 60% when we started, but it's cold as hell out here. But look at this beautiful view. Very beautiful view. This new motor is sweet. It looks sweet. It rips. It's really fast. I got a little funky smell, but like I said, I think that's just the wires heating up, drawing all this power, just breaking it in essentially. But so many more videos to come on this, so I'm sorry I didn't do like full top speed test yet. We'll do that next video. We're also going to put on the new V2 forks from Electro Co. But I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time now. Peace.